So the first thing we're going to need to do here is get the knob off the switch. You can see the little set screw on the back. Use a small screwdriver to loosen that, pull it off, and put it somewhere safe. Then you want to position your switch, kind of figure out where it's going to go. Like I said, you might have to cut out some of this here to make the harness fit through. But once you know where you want your switch to go, you can put that there, set your drill, and drill on through. Alright, got my hole drilled there. Again, 3/8 inch hole. It's too bad Dodge didn't make the dash out of the same stuff they made the kickboard from, because it's pretty tough stuff. So once you have your hole done, take your switch, remove the lock nut off of it. And there's a washer underneath. Take those both off, put your switch through. There you go. Spin it over and it doesn't quite fit.